Hello, Lasfit sent me these floor mats for my daughter's 2016 Toyota Corolla in exchange for this video. So we're excited about that because her car is in like new condition and it still has the original carpet floor mats. So we love these all-weather floor mats. So they come in this box all wrapped in the plastic. So you're gonna see them for the first time like we do. So on the bottom it's got these gripper things so it won't slide around on the carpet. One thing I noticed just about the quality from the box was how heavy they are. They're very durable. They're definitely not flimsy. And that's going to be good for these sides kind of holding up. So these things have many advantages. You don't get smells like you do with carpet when carpet gets wet and dirty. But also if you have muddy shoes, wet shoes, the water is going to stay here, and then if you spill a drink or some of your passengers spill a drink, it's going to be contained. So my wife and I both have similar ones in our vehicles. We really like them. Alright, this is going to be one of the front seats. Alright, this is the passenger side. Just going to kind of lay them out here for you like they would go in the vehicle. Just going to be able to see them a lot better out here. Got a user manual in what looks like the driver's side. It's the only paperwork that I have seen. It says if they're folded, you can just kind of fold them the other way to kind of get the fold out of them. Do not install over existing liners, and says it's easiest to install the front seat ones by putting the seat all the way back. Now what we have left here is the trunk. That lets you know how big of a trunk this small Corolla has. That's a good sized trunk. It looks huge when I see it out here like that. But yeah, they're just a really high quality. They've got this grip on the ribs. So all of them are like that. So my daughter's already taken out her old floor mats, already vacuumed out the car. So we're going to go ahead and install these, and I think I'm just going to take these front ones and kind of bend them the other way a little bit. All right, so just bending that short amount of time, it already. So watch. So this looks like it's all bent the wrong way. Just take your hand and kind of bend it the other way. Lay it down. You can see that by working with them just a little bit, you can get rid of the bend that was in there from shipping. So let's go ahead and put these in. Come on over here if you want. Look at that fit. All right. Fits perfect. So it goes all the way side to side. Fits great. All right. So now we're going to do the back seat. Okay, so this really fit well. So when you push them down in, like the seat belt for the front seat kind of has this plastic piece that sticks out. It tucks right under that so it stays up tight. And then on on the other side. Really, the only thing that I would say to care for these, see how this just tucks right under that? Look how tight that is in there. These seats are really up a lot, so I'll be scooting them back. These seats, the front seats, are moved up really far. But the only thing I would say to keep them looking new is, you know, you just want to watch that your back seat passengers aren't like resting their heels on this lip, you know, trying to crush it down. But these really stick up nice to it, and they're really stronger than other ones that I've seen. They're thicker and they tend to really hug that well. So back seat looks great. I'm gonna follow their advice and put the front seats back all the way before I put these in. So on the front seat on the driver's side, I don't think the passenger side has it, but a lot of times what you'll find on the driver's side, since the driver's feet are moving a lot and you don't want a floor mat to move on you and get in the way of your pedals, you can see these built-in plastic clips right here and there. So the front one is gonna lock into there. Circles on the driver's side that aren't there on that one. Let's take a look at that. Looks like they have the slip to pop that up. Yep. So this cap comes off so that they can be locked in. So basically you rotate this to lock that in, and then you put these caps back on, just on the driver's one. We might have to bend it some more. These front ones were the ones that were bent in half for shipping that we might have to mess around with. Okay, so they need these need to rotate to line up with, they need to be lined up this way like these, and then, or you can rotate those also if you want. So once we get them in, we're going to rotate them 90 degrees like that to lock them in, and then we'll put the caps back on. So now they won't go anywhere. And that is nice how it, some mats don't go all the way under the pedals for some reason, and that's where your feet always are. So it's going to get the dirtiest in there. So I like how these have full coverage all the way up. So that's going to keep it clean over time. Okay. All right, looks great. So she has a 10-year-old car that still looks like new, and this is going to keep it looking like new. So very pleased with these. I'll put links in the description. If you use the link that I put in the description, it'll help both of us out, because it'll give you a discount on the product, and it'll also give me a small commission if you order through that link. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope it's been helpful. And I've tried all sorts of the manufacturer brand of these. Like I own some Hondas, and I've tried the Honda brands, and these Lasfits, and one other brand I've done a video on, and I will say that I like these the best. When another brand sent me theirs for a Honda that I already had some, I thought there's no way I'm going to like an aftermarket as good as the Honda ones, and ever since we put those in, we haven't taken them out. I ended up throwing away the Honda ones because I like the aftermarket better. And then I ordered one brand for another one of my daughter's cars that we paid for a gift, and the rear passenger side didn't fit right. It wasn't a great fit, and so we had to cut out a piece to get it to work. So I'm the most impressed with these out of any that I've ever tried, because the fitment was perfect, they look great, the material and everything looks to be of high quality. And even though this is a sponsored video and they sent me these in exchange for this video, if I had to buy a pair with my own money for any of my cars, out of all the ones I've tried, I would pick these even over the manufacturer mats. So that's just how I feel about them after seeing these just today. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you.